Yeah, so it's Monday, January 10th for 3:30-ish, 3:27 p.m. Like, share, subscribe. We're looking at this RELI. Well, lots of different time frames is important, right? We have this target there at like 8:36, 8:38 or something, 8:40. 8:40 was the target. It's come down slightly from there a little bit since that time, but just the way it's pushing, it's kind of telling me that it kind of like I want it to hold support here, but I mean, like it needs to hold support on our line here and then go. And then I would say suggest take the trade again at like say the $8 mark, exactly where we stopped out last time. Um, uh, yeah, and then I think just the way it came back after it took support here on VWAP, I feel like it could make it to the next step. That's all I guess I'm trying to say. Well, the setup's there, so we're gonna have to try and take the trade. We can't be gun shy forever. This is a fairly tight amount of risk, so it's only $110 of risk here. It's probably 2 or 3%. Yeah, it's 2% risk. I'm really kind of we missed that first one. I can't believe we missed that first one. We kind of missed it again here too. I don't know why we wouldn't have tried to catch this like exact move. Look at that. Didn't buy though. See how we didn't order? We didn't get filled, but did you see that drop? We should probably take a look at that on the look at that in the tight vision there. So now has my opinion changed? Yeah, my opinion has changed. My attitude has changed. But I guess if it would still maintain if we held, well, that's what I said. I said I had to come down to that level and then come back. Just did a little bit more violent than I guess would prefer. The order's still proper if it comes up and out of here. The risk might have to widen, but I don't think so. I'm not very good at taking the limit either. We could try that. Just would have to try and find you know what I mean, a level here that I would be comfortable with it. So hopefully it comes up, does some sort of a little pattern here, gives me my signal, and then I could take it maybe, around the 80 mark. And that kind of fucking sucks. I had to step away for a couple seconds there, and if you notice here, I was supposed to take it at 80 there and have the 67 stop. So we would have been in now instead of waiting till now to be buying. We would have just got that little jump on it, and the stop would have been, right where, son of a bitch. Looks like our stop stayed in the right, or our buys in the right spot here. Yeah, basically I was just gonna take it where the stop was. Right? That's what, yeah, I was just gonna move the whole bracket down. See if we can get a little earlier, a little better price, right? Instead of waiting for the breakout. Because we'd be in the money right now, and you could run a stop up. I don't know, we'll see. If you ran the stop all the way up, and it got stopped out, I don't know. But then the trade ultimately failed, well, then that's what it is. It's kind of crazy. The volume's kind of like dropped right off here now. That's really interesting. The volume's kind of dropped right off. Okay, so, you can say what you want about that. We could have either taken the 1 or 2% profit, right? Said we were going to try and get in at the 80. So you would have been up 1% maybe. Could have been a break even, I guess. This is where some bigger size would probably help a little in that case. But now, yeah, I think my attitude would have changed. I think my attitude has changed now. So I think I'm going to close that. And, when we do it in real time, every time, you gotta be able to react. You can't just say you did the stuff after the fact. Because it's not what you trade, it's how you trade. Like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Leave some comments. It really helps the channel, guys. You gotta understand. 6 minutes to go before the close. Looks like she's closing strong. not strong. It's like not always strong. Doesn't always have to be at the top here. It's just if it puts in a good thing, like if it pushes into the close, that's sometimes that helps. I don't know. I don't know. Leave me a comment if you think that's closing strong or not closing strong. I almost feel like that's closing strong. That's the close. That should be the close there. We got 9 seconds to go. Sorry. But I feel like this is closing strong. Let me know in the comments. Yeah. Yeah. Let me know in the comments. I didn't take it overnight, so we're not. This is the end of that. Like, share, subscribe. And I guess we can give out the high fives for everyone now. Until the next time. You can follow up on this one on your own, I suppose, or I could pause it and. Well, there's the very end of it. I can draw it. Something like this. Just tightening up, so. Well, I guess we'll see what happens. But until the next bounce, we'll have to wait and leave that one. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. That's how you get your high fives when you come back.